Hi, this is Luke Zipp at Crocker Farm, and I'm here with one of the rarest examples of Manhattan stoneware that we've ever had the pleasure of handling, and really that's ever reached public auction. It's a stoneware jug with incised bird decoration. First of all, let me point out how artistically rendered this incised bird is. Just the detail in it, from the incised crest to the wing with nice striped detail, the banded neck with cross hatching, rear tail feathers. It's a beautiful incised bird, and really some of the finest examples of stoneware vessels that you find routinely from Manhattan bear incised bird decorations. And there's always a mystery of trying to attribute stoneware incised birds from Manhattan, trying to figure out which exact pottery they came from. Because before this jug surfaced, when it originally sold about 15 plus years ago, there was only one known piece from Manhattan with an incised bird and a signature, the Crolius bird jug that we sold that set a record for C. Crolius. And then this jug, this is actually signed on the reverse. It is signed David Morgan, New York, which he is, it's very rare to find a piece signed David Morgan. He was a potter on Corlear's Hook near Thomas Comerall, associated with Thomas Comerall. Early 19th century, very early stoneware potter. You find pieces of his routinely, almost exclusively, bearing impressed decoration, very similar to Thomas Comerall, the federal swag and tassel decoration. There are only a very small number of incised David Morgan examples known, and none with decoration even approaching the artistic merit of this jug. It really does stand alone as the finest example of David Morgan stoneware known, as one of the finest examples of Corlear's Hook, New York stoneware known, and really as one of the finest examples of Manhattan stoneware known bearing an impressed maker's mark. It really is an exceptional example of Manhattan stoneware. I really can't overstate it. It is a museum level piece. It kind of is a Rosetta Stone of helping understand who made pieces with incised birds from Manhattan, number one, but really just understanding the type of decorations that were being executed at the Morgan pottery and in Manhattan around the turn of the 18th into the 19th century. It's awesome. It's, I just really can't overstate its importance, and we're thrilled to offer it in our July 22nd Stoneware and Redware auction.